Hello and welcome back to Road to 500,000 Miles. Today, I am going to unveil the first modification that I did to my 40th anniversary edition 4Runner. So with no further ado, follow me this way and you get to see the unveiling of these here. These are the Go Rhino D1 rock rails. There's a 4-inch version and a 6-inch version. The 4-inch sticks out 4 inches, I believe, from there. The 6-inch goes 6 inches out from here. Just so you know, it doesn't come out 6 inches from the body. These are the 4-inch version. Comes out 2 inches. But you get about 4 inches of room to put your foot on there, which is just enough room to get up here and look in your sunroof or get them cool tires off of that cool roof rack that you have if you've got the TRD Pro version. So let me know what you think. I think they're beautiful. The reason I decided to go with these and instead of the regular Toyota ones that have like a step here and a step here is I kind of wanted the extra ground clearance. The Toyota ones, they stick out, it looks like about 4 to 6 inches lower. I was concerned as I have more and more fun with this vehicle that I'd smash them into something, break them, or get snagged. I didn't want that to happen, so hence I got the rock rails. Let's take a look underneath here because these suckers are robust. These brackets are really heavy. They're made out of steel. The whole thing is made out of steel. It was not a terrible pain in the butt to install. It took me about 3 hours. Anybody with some tools could do it, but I'm not gonna lie and say it was super easy. It was kind of a pain in the butt to do it by myself. If you're gonna do it, call your neighbor over, ask them to help you, and that way you will not hear a whole bunch of profanity coming out of the garage like may or may not have happened when I tried to install it. So, feature number one would be if you're gonna climb up a mountain, these things are supposed to help you so you don't catch as much body damage if you're climbing a mountain with your vehicle. For those of you who do not climb mountains with your vehicle, there is another great feature to these, and it is about 6 inches of lower step. So that wasn't a big deal for me, but it was a very big deal for my kids. They had a lot of trouble getting from down here to up here, hence the step worked out perfectly. There's another cool feature about these. I don't know why it's that necessary, but this grippy part right here actually comes off with just a few screws. So if you're the type of person that says, you know what, I don't want to grip when I stand on my rock rails, I want to slip off. If that's you, have no fear. These are made just for you. That is about all I got. There is one other amazing feature that I will tell you about these, because I did check this. They will stop a shopping cart from hitting your body. So that's 3 uses. 1, if you want to climb mountains, very useful. 2, if you just want to get in the car a little easier, you should get them. Number 3, you want to protect your car from the rogue shopping cart in the middle of the storm when you're at the grocery store. Bam, we've got the solution for you. That's all I've got for today. I would like to know if you have a 4Runner. I want to see what you did to yours. I'd like to know what you guys think about these. Do they look any cooler than the stock Toyota ones that they were going to send? I think they do, but I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you are one of the lucky 4,040 people in the world to get your hands on one of these bad boys, let me know. Send me a picture. I don't know if you can do that in the comments or not, but if you can, please do it. I'd love to see what you're doing to your 4Runner, 40th anniversary or not, actually, anybody. So that's all I've got for today. My next video is going to be about the second coolest mod that I did to my 40th anniversary 4Runner. It's something that a lot of people do. You probably can guess it, but if you don't, stay tuned, because my next video, I'm going to show you what I did and I'll explain the whole process. That's all I've got. Like,
subscribe, and turn on the post notifications.
That's it. That's all I got.
Comment down below.
And comment down below. Have a great day. God bless.